All right, so this is all to the May students who want me to address. Sir, what do you think is our exam likely? uh, I would want to express my opinion. I repeat, this is my opinion that I believe that the level 1 May exam or level 2 May exam or level 3 May exam, all exams are going to happen as per the plan. This is my opinion. I know what happened at 8:30 p.m. lockdown, etc. The point is we are on 13th of April and the May exam is on 25th of May. So if I count the days, there are 42 days still left for the exam. That's one point. In those 42 days, the situation can become worse, but there's a possibility that situation can become better also. With this lockdown, etc., there's a possibility of situation becoming better. So that's one reason why I believe that the exam is gonna happen with, I believe, at least 90% chance of an exam being happening. You may counter to me saying that the situation can become worse and we believe that exam won't happen. But that's your view. I'm just saying my view is that with 42 days left for the exam is happening. Second thing, the prometric centers where the exam is happening, the prometric centers are still working right now, and the GRE and the GMAT exam is still happening at those prometric centers. Even right now, the prometric centers are working and the exam is happening. In the GRE and the GMAT exams are being conducted in the same centers where you are thinking about your exam. So the exam is happening right now. There is a chance that the exam is going to be a good chance that the exam is happening 42 days on the line. Yes, obviously in the next 15 days, whoever has scheduled their exam for the GR and the GMAT, obviously those are not going to happen. So in the worst to worst case, if during the time when your exam is happening, if there is a lockdown at that time, maybe a weekend lockdown or a complete lockdown, which is going to be happening right now for the next 15 days, in that case, exam is going to get cancelled. But my opinion is that I don't see that there would be a lockdown at that particular point of time. So there's no lockdown. There are like no restrictions on the moving. Obviously, there could be restrictions on the religious and the normal like shadi, etc. There could be the community gathering. There could be restrictions on that. But if there are no lockdowns, exam is going to happen as per the plan. That's my opinion, and I still stand by my opinion. At 90% of the times, I believe that the exam is happening. December के टाइम मैंने ये इसके लिए बोला था why the exam is going to get cancelled, and it did got cancelled eventually. It's because at that time the exam was a paper-based exam at only one center, Thakur College and NESCO. And NESCO had become a COVID center, and Thakur colleges were not working at that time, and giving a permission to so many students at one place is close to impossible. Now with the level and February exam happening at the time when the situation was becoming bad, now it has been worse, but still February exam did happen as per the plan, and same is going to be the May exam unless 10% chance that I believe of a lockdown. So if there's a lockdown, exam is not going to happen. If there is no lockdown, exam is going to happen. Continue your preparation. So according to me, you should do those things which are under your control and should not think about those things which are not in your control. जो कंट्रोल में है वो करो, which is studying. And जो चीज कंट्रोल में नहीं है उसके बाद don't think about it कि what will happen if there is a lockdown, what will happen if my exams are to get cancelled, etc, etc, etc. Okay, so I believe that you have one thing in your control, which is studying and keeping away all other things, because I'm saying 90% chance that the exam is going to happen. Okay, so if you're serious about the May exam, you can continue studying with full preparation. 90% chance the level 1 exam is gonna, level 1, level 2, level 3 exams are gonna happen. Second thing, in case your Prometric center has got cancelled, how many of you have seen Prometric center got cancelled? You got an email from the Prometric that we have rescheduled, etc. Okay, few of you. So in those cases, mostly like there are few slots which have got cancelled. I don't know the reason why those few slots have got cancelled. The entire center has not got cancelled. Few slots have got cancelled. In that case, you would have got a mail from them that we have rescheduled yourself, and that would be generally a prior date and not a later date. So 4 or 5 days have gone, and over here you have an option. In case you believe that I am not okay with that date, you can write an email to Prometric and CF Institute stating that I am not okay with this date. They will reschedule you, or they will give you money back. Okay, so in case your exam center has got cancelled, in that is a second. In case your exam center has got cancelled and they have given you some other date, do not worry. Just write an email to the CF Institute if you're not okay with that date. Okay, so this is the important point. Now, second point, coming to the test center update, okay, which they have sent you. They have mentioned you few things. Ki ek to we are not going to cancel any test centers till the end of April. In the first week of May, we're going to take a call to in which cities we're going to conduct the exam and in which cities I'm not going to conduct the exam. They're going to take a call in the first week of May. The second thing that they said is that there are certain cities where we believe that there would be a little bit of a problem of student traveling for the exam, etc. And I believe Mumbai and Pune are going to be in those points. And for those, they're going to offer a voluntary deferral the way they offered for the February exam. However, in both the cases, whether your test center gets cancelled or whether your test center is on but you are given a voluntary deferral, both the cases, which I believe मुंबई पुणे में वॉलंटरी रेफरल होगा, अगर एग्जाम हो भी रहा है तो 90% ऑफ चांस जो एग्जाम होने का मैं बोल रहा हूं उसमें देयर इज अ वॉलंटरी रेफरल दैट आई बिलीव दैट यू आर गोना गेट. Again, this may be my belief है that Mumbai Pune would be qualifying for those cities and you will be given a voluntary deferral, but do not be like counting on that. Number one, because it has not yet come, and number two, even if it is coming, the deferral would be directly in November. In no cases they're going to allow you to take an August exam. So already some of you have been wishing to take the exam in June 20. Now is a chance for you. Now the 42 days for you to go for the kill. If you go for a voluntary deferral, it will be deferred for 6 months and nothing is going to work out for the August exam. All right, I repeat, nothing will work out for the August exam. Your exam would be deferred directly to November. July, August will not be possible for your level 1, level 2, level 3 exams. All right. So I believe this is why we believe that number one, voluntary deferral will come for Mumbai and Pune candidates for sure. And for that matter, I believe for the entire India, voluntary deferral scheme will come. But don't be like, there's not something to celebrate about it because your preparation is going to get delayed for 6 months. They will not allow you for the August exam. That they are clearly mentioning. Whether your exam center gets cancelled, which I believe is 10% chance, or whether your exam is happening, which I believe 90% chance. In both the cases, I believe that you will be given a voluntary deferral and that will be for November. So nothing to celebrate about it in case you're going to go for a voluntary deferral. I have came to know that some of the students of you are saying that, sir, we are not prepared, which is again a complete lack of planning because you were going to take a June 20 exam. Now you are at the end of almost April. So if you haven't been able to prepare it, it's complete lack of planning. If the voluntary deferral comes, you take it, but it's going to be a loss of 6 months. Sir, I want to take August exam. I want to take August exam. What should I do? If you are wishing to take August exam, there's only one thing that you can do right now, which is withdraw from the exam of May. If you withdraw from the exam of May, you will be allowed to register for the August exam, but obviously for $1,000 extra cost because August exam ka early deadline is over. So if for some reason you want to take August, I know one student who wants to take August exam because she has some personal reasons. So in that case, if you are okay to a monetary loss, then you can withdraw from this May exam and re-register for August exam for $1,000 of cost. Otherwise, August exam free of cost is not possible unless you have been detected with corona or something and then you write an email to Safe Institute and Safe Institute in a kind of kind gesture allows you to. But in normal circumstances, a kind of a free voluntary deferral is not possible for August exam. Yes, but if you have caught corona or some life-threatening disease, etc., which points they are mentioned, in that case, they may consider to take you for August exam. But if you do not fall under those category of life-threatening disease or corona, etc., still want to take August exam, the only way you can do that is withdraw from the exam and pay $1,000 again if you want to take August exam. Okay. So option one is prepare thoroughly because sir is saying 90% of the times the exam is going to happen. 10% of the time exam will not happen. That would be a case of a lockdown, nothing else. If there is no lockdown, exam is happening. In case you are not prepared or in case you're worried about corona, what if I go to the center and catch corona? In this case, you may consider voluntary deferral, which may come. It has not yet come, but which may come. Again, I believe for that 95% chance है, 95 to 99% chance है कि voluntary deferral मुंबई पुणे के लिए आएगा, but it will be for a November exam, not before that. Next, if you are adamant कि मुझे August ही देना है, then only one option: you withdraw from the exam and re-register for the August exam with $1,000 of cost. And the final thing which I wanted to tell, and then I'm going to be taking your doubts, but please make sure that those are not kind of personalized doubt, they're general doubt, please, because there is everyone over here. So just make it doubts generalized. The final thing is the April 16th deadline for rescheduling. You can reschedule your centers till 16th April. So today is 13th April, 3 more days to reschedule your centers. In case it is feasible for you, the safest game is to relocate to an international center in case it's possible for you, which is Dubai, because in Dubai, in the month of December, 5 of my students went to Dubai and the exam happened safely. And the Corona situation right now is still much better than what is happening in India. So their chances of exam happening are like 99.99% the exam is happening over there. If you see ki I can't relocate to Dubai, sir, I can't take the exam in Dubai, I don't know about international travel, etc., how will I do that, etc. In that case, if you want, you can relocate to some other city where you believe the chances of exam and chances of lockdown are not there. In Maharashtra, in Mumbai, I believe that there are 10% chance of lockdown happening in the last week of May. Okay, not right now. अभी का लॉकडाउन का कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. ये जो अभी लॉकडाउन हो रहा है, we are far away from the exam right now. So I'm talking about the possibility of a lockdown in the last week of May, which I believe are 10%. If you believe in some other cities in India, maybe Delhi or maybe Baroda, Ahmedabad, somewhere where you believe that you have some relatives there, you can travel there 15 days before the exam, and your relatives will take you, obviously, in that case. And you believe that the chances of lockdown are lesser than 10% or chances of exam happening are more than 90%, please go ahead and do it. Don't ask me, sir, shall I do it? I don't know. I'm not a Corona specialist. I can't say. I can just guess that I believe the chances of lockdown are lesser in other parts of the India as compared to Mumbai. But still, if like I would be okay with that, I will not think about it. Personally, I will just keep studying. I will not let my inner peace get bothered by what is happening outside. So in that case, I'll continue to prepare. But I'm just saying, if you are bothered about possibility of 10% lockdown in Mumbai, relocate, try to reschedule before 16th April. All right. So number one, prepare for the exam. Thoroughly prepare for the exam. You have 42 days left for the exam. 90% chance of exam happening. 10% chance of exam getting cancelled only if there's a lockdown. Number two, in case you're not prepared thoroughly because of time management or something like that, because you took the things very casually, June ke baad time hai, now time nahi hai, and now you're in trouble, or you believe that exam lene se you can catch corona, you have a feeling that if I go out then I can catch corona. In that case, 95 to 99% chance you're going to get a voluntary deferral where you will be deferring to November, nothing before that. Number three, if you are adamant कि मैं नहीं दे सकता तो मैं August देना चाहता हूँ, till 4th of August you can withdraw from this exam and re-register for August exam for $1,000 of cost. And the last thing, that if you are worried about a lockdown, 10% chance according to me, if you believe कि 100% chance of lockdown का last week of May, if you believe that, then reschedule to either international centers like Dubai, where students have taken the exam successfully in the month of December, and now also the chances of exam happening in Dubai are 99.99% according to me. I can say 100% होगा ही करके. But other parts of the India also, where you may have relatives, if you want, you can go there if you believe that the chances of lockdown are less than 10% over there. This is what I wanted to communicate. I'm open for doubts in general. All right. Please raise hand and ask your doubts quickly. Yes, guys, go on. Yes, Dev.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, go on, Dev.
Hello.
Yeah, Dev, go on.
Yeah, sir. Voluntary deferral, you is 99% available.
95 to 99%, I believe
Hello?
it will come. Don't count on that. Keep studying. Yes, Ashmita.
Sir, do you know? I think you know.
Sir,
hello.
I'm not someone from CFN, so I can't say voluntary deferral आएगा ही. उनके मेल के हिसाब से मुझे लगता है कि मुंबई and Pune are the cities that will qualify for a voluntary deferral. Yes, Ashmita.
So when would we get an update about the deferral? Like if we are getting it or no?
Voluntary deferral about?
When will we get an update about it?
Voluntary deferral, no idea. They have not mentioned anything. But last time for the February exam, it came on the 10th of January. Right now we have passed that date of 10th of April. So it can come anytime soon, but don't count on that. Don't bank on that. Keep studying till the time it comes. Yes, Ekta.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, Ekta.
Yeah. So, just I hope I'm able to frame it correctly. But when you say that voluntary deferral, that means that the exam will happen.
Exam will happen, but if you want, you can defer it for November. Exam is not going to get cancelled.
Okay. And got it. And for example, if my center is not offering the exam, so you are saying that I will get another center?
No. If there is an exam getting cancelled completely, then you will be getting a November deferral. And if your center gets cancelled, your slot gets cancelled, then you will be given another center. And if you don't want that, you have to write an email to CF Institute.
Okay, so but I will be given another center in May only, right?
There are other centers operating in May apart from your center.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, Rishabh. Just a
No,
second.
sir, at the
Just a second. Just a second, Rishabh. Ekta, is your doubt clear?
Yeah, sir, it's clear. Thank
Right,
you so
fine.
much.
Yes, Rishabh, go on.
no, sir, at the same doubt, if my center gets cancelled, then what should?
Then you will be getting another center if there is a center in that place. And if you do not want that, you can write an email to the CF Institute asking for a deferral or to August or November. But if all the centers gets cancelled, then you will be deferred to November.
So if my center gets cancelled, so I can defer it to August. Only in that case, I can defer it to August.
If the other center offered to you is not okay with you, then you can request for a deferral to August, which they may or
August.
may not consider.
Okay, so only in that case, I would be able to defer to in August. Otherwise, I will
Yes.
not be able to defer in August.
Otherwise, August is not possible.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you so much.
Harshit.
Hello.
Yeah, Harshit.
Yeah. So Rohit here.
Yeah.
So like I've spoken to you as well. So like on their website they say that it's on their discretion. Like if you've been infected with COVID,
Can you be louder?
if you've been infected with COVID
Huh.
within
Then
60
you
days.
can apply for a deferral right now. You may get August also.
Yeah. So I already did that, but they're saying that मतलब I haven't received any mail. But when I read,
You will. अभी ये time लगेगा उनको, but they will get back to you.
it's on their discretion. They're saying. So is
No,
it
no,
like?
they are gonna give you. Don't worry. But just have some patience because they will be burdened with a lot of work right now.
No. So anyway, I'm studying, like just in case they don't. I mean,
Yeah,
but
that's what you should do. I mean, till the time you are granted the voluntary deferral, till I don't count on that.
okay, perfect.
I repeat this point. How many of you are counting on the voluntary deferral? Just raise hand, please. And okay with November, huh? August का chance ही नहीं है. So already I've been deferring from June. Now it is a time that you can kill it, the exam. But if you want, you can defer to November. So all right, only those like few guys are counting on the voluntary deferral. Do not stop studying. Keep studying. All right, lower the hands and just doubts wale people raise hand, please. Yes, Vanak. Yes, Vanak. Only doubts wale people. Yes, Sachin.
So, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
So, you said that in case the center gets cancelled now, like Mumbai, Pune are higher chances, and if they give any other center, so that other
No,
center.
other center will be in same city in case it is available. So, for example, I think there was some issue with the Xavier Center on 28th of May. So they have given that option कि 25th of May को ले लो. If you don't want that option, then
same
you can
city, huh? Because today I got to know that some level 2 guys also in Pune, their center was suffered.
There are some centers on some slots which they have an issue, so they have given you some other slots.
Yeah.
But if you're not okay with that, you can write an email to the Safe Institute, ask for a deferral or ask for a refund.
I am also of your opinion that the exam will go on, and probably the Navi Mumbai center is, quite good enough to go ahead. That
I also believe so. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Keep studying. Yes, Sachin. Yes, Suraksha.
Hi, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Sir, so nowhere in the website that you have, the link that you have shared, nowhere it's written that you will get a rescheduling mail if your center is cancelled. Like if the exam on that
They
particular.
will not mention that it's up to Prometric. So if the slot that you selected is gonna get, they believe that they will not be able to conduct that slot, then you will be given another slot by the Prometric, not by the Safe Institute. And if you're not okay with that, then you have to contact the Safe Institute via email and saying that I have been rescheduled by Prometric without my consent and I'm not okay with this slot, and defer me or refund my money.
Okay, so basically you won't be given another city. It's
No,
just
same city, another center, another slot. In case your slot get cancelled. Yes, Ash.
Right. Thanks.
Sure. So, for example, given that India as a whole country is considered to be one, so there are chances that if not in Mumbai, then all over India the exam cannot happen. So, for example, in December 20,
possibility that Delhi में exam होगा, Mumbai में नहीं.
ऐसा हो सकता है.
हाँ, मुंबई में लॉकडाउन है तो मुंबई में एग्जाम नहीं होगा, दिल्ली में होगा.
Okay, ठीक है.
Yes, Abhishek. Yes, Saurabh. Yeah, Abhishek, go on. Abhishek, Saurabh, ask doubt, please.
Yeah, hi sir.
Yeah.
So actually, one of my friend was giving the exam in, was supposed to give the exam in Ahmedabad, but apparently he got a mail from Prometric stating that his center has got changed to Mumbai. Is that like how would that
That's what
happen?
I'm
I
saying.
mean,
In case it's not okay with that, just write an email to CF Institute. They will defer or they will give his money back.
okay, okay, sir.
Right?
Thank
Yes,
you.
madam.
Sir, I just read a notification for today's lockdown. They have written that for exams being conducted by any board, university, or outside authority, denial which will hurt the students will be allowed. And basically, students have to attend physically, may be allowed to travel along with one adult on the basis of a hall ticket.
Perfect. So even the GRE and GMAT exams happening at Prometric may happen even during this period. So which means that even if there is a lockdown during our exam period, we'll still be allowed to travel. So that's positive. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Perfect. Thank you so much. What he just said is that during this period of lockdown of 14 days, even if our CF exam would have been there, we would have been allowed to travel. That's good. That's positive. So which means that even if there is a 10% chance of a lockdown in Mumbai, still will be allowed to travel. All right. Yes, Rishabh.
Oh, so sorry, last question. If a center get cancelled, by which date we'll get to know if our
I can't say.
center has.
First week of May तक they will be not communicating anything about center cancellation. उसके बाद ही उसके पहले वॉलंटियर अप्लाई आएगा सेंट्रल कैंसिलेशन का मेल फर्स्ट मई से बनेंगे कैसे आ सकता है ना अभी they are in a full mood to conduct the exam understand it they do not want to defer the exam they are in full mood to conduct the exam they believe that it's very safe to conduct the exam they did that in February they can do that in May also so why would they cancel the exam so early they are looking for a case if there's a lockdown and in the case of lockdown like Manan said if they don't allow it Manan to said it's allowed but if they don't allow it then only they will cancel the exam otherwise the exam is not going to get cancelled exam is happening is that clear Rishabh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right, those who are doubt, keep raising hand. जिनका doubt class solve हो चुका है, please lower hand. Yes, Raj. Or Ronak.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Ronak, go on.
So, if I want to relocate my exam center, suppose it's Mumbai right now, and if I want to relocate it somewhere else,
by logging in and Prometric में या फिर CF में login करके 16 April तक change कर सकते हैं.
so the change in appointment section, right? If you want to change your appointment.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Krishna.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, go on.
Sir, actually, my doubt is like just Safe Institute has offered online protocol exam for level 1 in April.
That is not for the that is not for level 1 May guys. That was only
yeah.
for
Just I was thinking.
guys, but they are not really mentioned. It's not going to be there. Online
yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
For level 1.
Okay. Thank you.
Level 1 level 3 May exams not going to be there. Yes, Raj. Yes, Dev.
Yeah, sir. I wanted to ask, can I get a deferral to August?
Only if you have COVID, otherwise no.
Yes, sir. I'm positive.
Then you can. Write an email to the Safe Institute that I can't take the exam. Please give me a deferral to August. If they believe that there are seats in August, they will give it to you.
Yeah, I will send them the reports actually.
Perfect. Just drop a mail to me first, get it checked, and then we'll send it.
And okay, so can you will make a video like how to do that process or like you will guide
You have to
WhatsApp?
write the email. You have to send the email to me. Then I'll check it. Then I'll send you edits, and then we'll give it. There's no video required over here.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, Piyush.
Sir, same case. Test is
Just write the
positive
email to
and
me.
like.
I'll check it, and then we'll send it to the CF Institute. And take care. Take care,
Okay.
Dev and Piyush.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Raj.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, मेरा दो डाउट है. Sir, what if I take Pune center and Pune center ही बंद है?
So
like they are not allowing.
November, compulsory defer to November.
तो कंपलसरी डेफर. सो अब सर अगर या तो फिर पुणे अगर वो कंडक्ट करते हैं एंड 25th अवेलेबल नहीं है, देन 26th वो स्लॉट दे सकते हैं.
करेक्ट.
और अगर पुणे पूरा सेंटर ही कैंसिल है देन
defer to compulsory.
ओके सर.
Yes, Ronak.
Hello.
Yeah.
So, in case if your family members have been diagnosed with COVID
No, it doesn't work. You have to be diagnosed with COVID, not your family members. But in that case, in case of family members of hospital, etc., we can still try. But the rule was that you will get a deferral only if you have a COVID. But still, if your family members have COVID, we can try on that.
Okay, because on the side it was written either you or your immediate family members for
For
deferral.
life-threatening disease and not for COVID, I believe so. Let me just check it one more time. Just send me a screenshot. I have, but let me just check it one more time.
Because my father just got COVID and now I am also getting symptoms. That's why.
Fine, in that case, you will get a deferral. November sure, August हो सकता है. And
Oh.
take care, Ronak.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, Kanishka.
So I wanted to know, you had mentioned that 5 people went to Dubai. So if we do that, how many days prior would we have to go?
You'll have to contact them. I don't know. I'll
Uh,
send their numbers. You can contact them.
Okay, thank you.
I think some of them went 7 days before, but I'll give the contact. Good thing is all of them passed the exam. I'm happy about that. Or I'll send you. Don't worry. But I believe Kanishka Goa में हो सकता है exam. What do you think? Goa में होगा exam? Lockdown का chance है?
So when I had checked, there was no center in Goa.
अच्छा, you're
So
not taking in Goa. All right, fine.
yeah.
I'll contact you. All right. Yes, Abhishek. Yes, Raj or Abhishek. Yeah, go on. Yes, Prerna. Abhishek, you're not audible. Please type your question in Q&A.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, Prerna.
Yeah, so if they cancel the exam due to any reasons, if they cancel it, will they give us a refund option as well, or just
If it
deferral
is
to
cancelled
November?
2 times, that was the criteria. If it was cancelled 2 times. So yes, in your case, yes. No, I think in your case, no, you're doing it for the first time, so they will not.
No, actually, sir, I was given June 20, then December also got cancelled.
Then yes,
So,
you will.
okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, Raj. Raj, I'm not able to update you. Abhishek, please put your question in the Q&A. I'm not able to hear you. Raj, I'm not able to hear audio access. I don't know why. All right, I think I have clarified my stance. And Abhishek and Raj, please contact me in the personal WhatsApp for getting your doubts clear. I'll repeat what I said one more time. I'm going to repeat what I said. Number 1, keep preparing for the exam. 90% of the times, if there is no lockdown, exam is happening. 10% of the time, if there's lockdown, exam is not going to happen. In that case, you will be not voluntary, you'll be given a compulsory deferral to November. Before that, you may be given a voluntary deferral, which you may use in case you're not prepared thoroughly, which is not really good sign actually. But if you're not prepared thoroughly, you can use that. Or if you're thinking about like what will happen if I catch corona during the exam, then you can use a voluntary deferral, but take a November exam, not before that. If you have been tested with corona, etc., or life-threatening disease, you can put an email to the CF Institute and go for a deferral in which you may stand to get a chance to August. However, if you are not in any of this category, you can still cancel withdrawal from the exam and go for August, but it will cost you $1,000. Last date for that is 4th of May. And in case you believe that Mumbai and Pune mein chances hai lockdown ka, and hence you want to relocate to some other center in India or outside India, last date for that is 16th April. But make sure कि वहाँ पे lockdown नहीं होने वाला है. Okay? Yes, Dev.
Sir, if I a request for deferral to August, it will be free, no?
Yes, free deferral. Any deferral will be.
And sir, like that email I have to send like now we know tomorrow.
Contact me back, Dev, in my personal WhatsApp. All right, guys, that's it for the day. Keep studying. This was the thing that I wanted to say कि lockdown आज 14 दिन के लिए, अपना exam 42 days बाद के लिए. So just consider that, have a proper sane. I know it's very, very logical. Sorry, I'm sorry, it's very natural to get panicked by the things happening around and lose your rational mind and focus on the things which you can't control rather than focusing on the things which you can control right now. All right, so that's my point. If you focus on COVID India, if you focus on Worldometer, if you focus on the CM ka news at 8:30, etc., I even didn't look at those messages. Finally, conclusion is going to come to you on the WhatsApp. There's no point of wasting those time on the messages and the things happening, because though you can't change that. I mean, अगर CM कर रहा है lockdown या नहीं, we can't change that. So let's focus on the thing that we can change, which is our results of level 1, level 2, level 3 meet. All right, guys, take care. Good night. Keep studying.